Sneeze Police.
Our mission is to rid the world from bad sneeze etiquette.
It's not just fun and games for the
Sneeze Police.
Hi, I'm here with the Sneeze Police Department. If you ever need to cough or sneeze, make sure you do so in a tissue and immediately wash your hands afterwards after throwing the tissue away. If you have any information about someone coughing or sneezing and spreading germs, call 214-SNEEZE. We've cracked many tough cases. Just the other day at a business meeting in Sweet Valley, this happened.
They say they'll give you a tax exemption for any deal that's $5 billion or more. Only $5 trillion? Sounds good. It's a deal.
No! Sneeze Police. All clear.
Thank you, Sneeze Police.
If you have any questions for the Sneeze Police, hit them up at the Sneeze Police Department in Sweet Valley or call them at 214-SNEEZE. Think before you sneeze. For more information, go to these websites.
I got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style.